You arrive at a hotel. The staff asks, "How can I help you?" And suddenly, you don't know what to say. But Lori knows. Welcome to Talkory English. Today we have a new story for you. Lori and Alex are on a short vacation. You will hear real hotel conversations, slowly and clearly. Checking in, calling the front desk, having breakfast, and checking out. Before we begin, one question for you. Lori asks for something special at the front desk. Something most people never ask for. Can you hear what it is? Write your answer in the comments. I will reply to you in English. Okay, let's begin.
Wow, this hotel looks much better than the photos.
I told you, it would be nice. I read a lot of reviews and everyone said it was clean, quiet, and very friendly.
I am glad we came here.
Me too. Okay, let's go inside.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Talkory Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Carter.
Of course. One moment, please.
Is everything okay?
Yes, I am just checking something. Here it is. Alex Carter. One double room for one night. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. And Mrs. Carter, may I see your ID as well, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Your room is room 412 on the 4th floor.
Excuse me, is it possible to have a room on a higher floor? We would really love a nice view of the city.
Let me check for you right now. Good news. I have a room on the 8th floor. It is the same price, and it has a beautiful view of the city.
That would be wonderful. Thank you so much.
It is my pleasure. Your new room is 812 on the 8th floor. Here are your key cards. Checkout is at noon tomorrow.
Is breakfast included with the room?
Yes, it is. Breakfast is on the 2nd floor from 7 to 10:30 in the morning.
Perfect, thank you so much.
You are all set. Enjoy your stay. The elevator is just on your left.
Thank you very much.
All you have to do is ask.
I would never think to ask.
I know. That is why I do the check-in.
Did you hear what Lori asked for? She got a better room just by asking. If you want to learn more useful English like this, subscribe to our channel. Now let's follow Lori and Alex to their new room.
It is very quiet up here. I like that.
A quiet hotel is always a good hotel. Okay, room 812 is right here.
This is the moment of truth. Oh, this room is really nice.
Look at that view. You can see the whole city from here.
That is a very good view. You were right.
Look at this room. It is very big. We have a lot of space.
Yes, and the furniture is very nice.
The table and chairs by the window look very comfortable.
We can have our morning coffee there tomorrow.
The bed is very big too, and the pillows look so soft.
Let me check. Yes, very soft, very comfortable. Can I lie down for 5 minutes?
Okay, 5 minutes, but then we unpack. The bathroom is very nice, big mirror and good lighting. But we only have 2 towels. I think we should ask for more.
Can you call the front desk?
Yes, I will call them right now.
Front desk, this is Jess. How can I help you?
Hello, Jess. This is room 812. Could we get some extra towels, please? We only have 2 and we would like a few more.
Of course. I will send them up right away.
Thank you so much. Also, is it possible to have a late checkout tomorrow? We would love to have a little more time before we leave.
Let me check your reservation. Yes, Mrs. Carter. We can offer you a 2 p.m. checkout instead of noon. Would that work for you?
That would be perfect. Thank you so much.
Extra towels on the way and check out tomorrow at 2 p.m. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that is everything. Thank you very much.
Have a great afternoon, Mrs. Carter.
2 p.m. checkout. That is a good idea.
We can sleep longer. No rush in the morning.
I did not think to ask for that.
Most people do not think to ask. But it is always a good idea to try.
I am starting to see that. I made some tea. Would you like a cup?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you. The city looks so beautiful at night.
It really does. I am very glad we got this room.
Me too.
Okay, time for bed. We have breakfast tomorrow.
Yes, good night, Alex.
Good night, Lori. Breakfast ends at 10:30. Let's go.
I am ready. Let's go.
Good morning. Can I take your order?
Yes, please. I would like fried eggs and toast.
Of course. And for you, Mrs. Carter?
Could I have scrambled eggs, please, and some toast as well?
Of course. And would you like something to drink?
Orange juice, please.
Coffee for me, please.
Perfect. I will bring that right out for you.
Thank you very much.
Here you are. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you.
Everything looks delicious.
The coffee is really good.
I agree. This is a very good hotel. I am going to miss this view.
We can come back.
Yes, I would like that. Okay, let's go downstairs.
Good afternoon. Are you checking out today?
Yes, we are checking out room 812.
How was your stay?
It was wonderful. The room was beautiful and everyone was very helpful.
The view was amazing, and the bed was very comfortable.
I am so happy to hear that. Thank you.
Could I have a copy of the bill, please? I would like to check it before we leave.
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. Everything looks correct.
All done. Thank you, Mr. Carter.
One more thing. Could we leave our luggage here for a few hours? We want to walk around before we go to the station.
Of course. We will keep it safe for you. Just come back when you are ready.
Thank you. We really enjoyed our stay here.
We are so happy to hear that. We hope to see you both again very soon.
I think you will. You know, you asked for a better room, extra towels, a late checkout. And just now, the luggage.
At a hotel, you can always ask. The answer is usually yes.
I am learning that now.
Good. You are a fast learner.
Great job. And that is the end of our story today. Lori and Alex had a wonderful stay at the hotel. And now you know exactly what to say at a hotel too. Watch this video again and try to say the phrases out loud. The more you say them, the easier they become. Now, your turn. Imagine you are at the front desk of a hotel. Write one sentence you would say in the comments below. I read every comment and I will reply to you in English. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And subscribe to Talkory English for more slow and easy stories. Thank you for watching. See you next time.